Hello friends, today I am reading the Barata series. Barata arsenicosa, Barata phosphorica, Barata carbonica and Barata sulf. First I am reading Barata arsenicosa. Barata arsenicosa is a mineral remedy for the of the syphilitic miasm. The feeling of Barata is that of complete dependence due to the personal incapacity. The feeling of arsenicum is of the being isolated and hence insecure. The arsenic person sees the world as a threatening and chaotic. He feels lonely yet feels threatened by people, so he cannot trust people though he needs them the most. The main feeling of Prata Arsenicosa is I cannot trust the person on whom I am totally dependent. This is the crux of Prata Arsenicosa. I cannot trust the person on whom I am totally dependent. In the compensatory state of Prata Arsenicosa can be very conscious, independent and responsible. The patient is fastidious, methodical, highly organized, efficient, and industrious. He is very caring for others, very friendly, and will not offend anybody. He is very careful about his own health and also health of the others. In uncompensated state, the Brata arsenicosa person can be shy, bashful, and nervous, extremely anxious about the smallest things, especially with respect to health. He can get panicky, frightened, and restless. He does not trust anyone, including the physician, and often change the doctor. They are very irresolute, very dependent, and yet mistrustful. Physical symptoms are chilic patient, early senility, very deep-seated chronic progressive disorder, diabetes mellitus, ulcers, hypertension, etc. comes on at very early age. Sudden acute manifestation may be found. Now, second medicine is Barata carbonica. The main Barata group medicine is Barata carbonica. Barium is a mineral belongs to the group second line A of periodical table. The main filling of remedies from this group is one of the dependence, and Barata carb is most dependent of them all. Barata carbonic is totally dependent on others, almost like a cripple, and delusion that he walks on his knees, and delusion that a beloved friend is sick and dying shows the crippled, dependent feeling of Barata carbonica and his fear of losing this support. There is a feeling of totally incapacity to take on responsibility or do one's own work. Barata curve has anticipatory anxiety because of this feeling of incapacity. The patient are totally irresolute and depend completely on someone else to take any decision for them. This can work this can work both ways. I have seen all that also that the Barata carbonate people can very independent, very even supportive of other people's. They can be very responsible, especially about family affairs, anxious about the domestic affairs, cares about the domestic affairs, anxiety about the friends at home, anxiety for others. They can be extremely hardworking and very careful. They constantly occupy quite responsible, occupy very responsible and dependable position in their work and society. They are very methodical and reliable but lack imagination, art, and creativity. Occasionally, however, even such Kopak Maratha can have bouts of irresolutions and self-doubt. There is a fear of strangers, which extremely extended to fear of facing any new situation and anything that is out of the routine, especially the kind of situation that force them to make choice or to take the decision. They can be resistant to any change in their life. For example, they would try and avoid any change in the job or residence. They don't like being noticed or brought into the prominence prominence and would hesitate to wear anything that stand out. For example, shiny shoes. They are the last people to accept the new fashions and are quite conservative in their way of dressing and living style, etc. They avoid giving their views or opinion easily for fear of being criticized. I have seen that Barata carbonica patients like to confirm every single detail during the consultation. Example, where and how to take the medicine, what are the food or other restrictions are there, etc. To the last detail often provoke irritations and laughter from the others. They are so dependent. It is childish and very childish. Patak's writes, children are late coming into the usefulness to take on their responsibility and do their work. The Barata carbonica patient is very much afraid that he will lose or something will happen to them with those on whom he is a dependent. He will lose the people on those he depends. Seen in the delusion that a beloved friend is sick and dying. I have mentioned in the spirit of homeopathy a case of 35-year-old married woman who developed the arthritic problem after the death of the neighbor on whom she was dependent and who was the only one in the neighborhood who shared her mother tongue. Due to this, she lost the crutch which the neighbor provided, and since she would not actualize her delusion that her legs are cut off, she developed the cripple and arthritic, which made her lean on other for support. This great dependency on other, especially the socially and financially, brings a choose to Calcea silicata. Calcea silicata feels financially and socially dependent. The Barata corrupt person feels both mentally, physical and intellectually and physical dependent like a disabled person. Financially, seeks are Calcea silicata or physically and mentally seek support are Calcea or Barata carbonica. Often, the Barata carbonica patient will give a history of being extremely shy in the childhood and they are not mixed with others or make friends easily. They feel laughed at and criticized. There are many fears which are often childish. Fear of children, like a small things, can make them extremely anxious. Anxiety about trifles, delusion. She thinks every noise is a cry or a fire. She trembles. Start easily from the noise and from fright. In many Parata persons, I have seen a kind of simplicity, naivety. They are rather credulous. Rubrics are cares, domestic affair about, childish, strangers, presence of aggravate, delusion as if beloved friend is sick and dying, delusion walk on his knees, delusion legs are cut off, delusion laughed at and mocked being, anxiety others about, anxiety trifles about, goes off alone and weeps as if she has no friends. Physical symptoms are chilly patient, premature old age, hair fall, baldness, loss of memory, hypertension, atherosclerosis at very young age, desire sweats, history of recurrent attack of tonsillitis, may be emaciated. Patak says, hearing hard in old people. This all about Barata carbonica. I read Barata arsenica and Barata carbonica. In second video, I will read Barata phosphorica and Barata sulfur. Right? Thank you for listening.